On this episode of Around Town, I'll take you for a little bit of a ride and show you how we go from this to this.
We take a look behind the scenes to see how one of our fleet vehicles gets road ready. This is Around Town with Town & Country Pest Solutions. Of all the tools in our arsenal, the most crucial piece of equipment has got to be a technician's vehicle. It's a mobile workshop, tool shed, and all-around treasure trove of pest solutions. So in order for us to get to you, we need a dependable vehicle. But there's a lot more to it than just driving off a dealership lot. Getting a truck road ready can take several months with a number of steps to coordinate. After the truck's undercarriage and bed are sprayed with a protective coating, the first major addition is the truck cap. This specific model, made by Smart Cap, is assembled by our mechanical and inventory manager James, and then placed over top the truck bed. With all necessary electrical components connected and the cap properly attached, it's time to move on to the next stage. Thanks to our local vehicle restyling experts at Tim's Trim, the new truck cap is outfitted with a ladder rack, while a specialized sliding deck is installed in the truck bed. This slider is the foundation for our custom-built storage system. Now, it's time for this sleek white truck to get some Town & Country flair.
Which leads us to here, Vital Signs in Webster. We're gonna check out the vinyl graphic installation on the brand new truck.
Vital Signs lead installer Don has been working in the signage industry for over 30 years, with close to 20 years of experience with specialty wraps. So it's safe to say that Don is just the guy to talk to.
The hard part was making sure everything was in place and measured almost correctly. About how long does that take you?
So I started cleaning it and everything probably about half an hour ago.
Okay.
Then it's just measuring. I mean, these forwards are pretty straightforward because you can go right off of this body line and you know you're going to be straight every time. Yeah, right now I'm just trying to trim this close.
Yeah.
Just so I can get it around the handle, and once I pull this tape off,
you'll do like a finer.
It makes it easier for me to get in here.
Yeah.
Get in here and make a really nice clean cut. I almost punched myself in that rip.
You pulled it off though, like very calm, cool, collected. I would have.
I've done it so many times.
The methodical nature in which you have. I see you carefully calculating where to rip to make sure that, you know, you're not pulling the graphic up.
Well, and if I rip this the wrong way, I'm gonna end up tearing the vinyl into corners or stretching this out of whack, so messing things up.
And learning from mistakes, right?
Yes. So you're not learning from mistakes. You're not growing and learning as an installer.
All that's left now is to build out a custom storage system from scratch. Inspired by the crafty setup put together by our wildlife technician manager Pavel for his own truck, this layout has become standard issue for all of our trucks, with the flexibility for tweaks and adjustments for any preferences a technician might have. With modular shelving built atop the bed slider and in both side wings, our technicians will be able to organize and access all of their tools and materials with ease.
Well, that just about wraps it up for us. Pretty interesting to see what it takes to get this vehicle road ready, so that way we can help you out. Anyway, I'm Matt Miller. We'll catch you at the next job. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to make sure all of our content gets right in your feed from Town & Country Pest Solutions.